We're stepping into a new era of technology where everything is evolving for the better. In the next few minutes, you will learn about IPFS, a revolutionary way to store and share data on the internet. IPFS, or InterPlanetary File System, is a decentralized way of storing and sharing files. It was invented in 2014 by Juan Benet and developed by Protocol Labs. Right now, most websites and files are stored on centralized servers like Google, Amazon, or Facebook. IPFS, on the other hand, is like a global file-sharing network where data is stored on multiple computers instead of one central server. Instead of using URLs like www.example.com. IPFS identifies files by their unique hash, also known as CID. When you upload a file, it is broken into smaller parts and stored across different computers or nodes. When someone wants to access it, IPFS finds the nearest and fastest copy available. IPFS versus centralized storage, which is better? Advantages of IPFS. IPFS offers several key benefits. It enhances data security, reduces bandwidth costs, and ensures faster content delivery. Additionally, it promotes data integrity and decentralization. While IPFS offers many advantages, it's important to be aware of its disadvantages too. For instance, IPFS can have issues with data availability if nodes go offline. Additionally, there can be some challenges with content addressing and ensuring data integrity. Lastly, the adoption rate is still growing, so it's not as widely used as more established technologies yet. So, who is using IPFS? Well, many innovative companies and organizations are already leveraging its capabilities to enhance their digital infrastructure. For example, Protocol Labs, the creators of IPFS, use it extensively for their projects and research. Other notable users include Cloudflare, which integrates IPFS into its gateway services to improve web performance and security, and the Ethereum Foundation, which uses IPFS for decentralized storage solutions, ensuring data integrity and accessibility. These are just a few examples of the growing adoption of IPFS across various sectors, showcasing its versatility and potential. Now, you might be wondering, how can you start using IPFS? It's actually quite simple and straightforward. First, you can download and install the IPFS desktop application from the official website. The installation process is user-friendly and quick. Once installed, you can start adding files to the network and sharing them with others. This makes file sharing more efficient and secure. There are also plenty of tutorials and resources available online to help you get started. These guides can walk you through every step. Whether you're a developer or just curious about decentralized storage, IPFS has something to offer for everyone. Dive in and explore the future of the internet. IPFS is the future of the decentralized web. It promises a more secure, efficient, and open internet for everyone. If you believe in Web3, NFTs, and censorship-resistant technology, then IPFS is a crucial technology you should be aware of. IPFS is something you need to understand. It's not just a concept, but a transformative tool for the future. So dive in, explore, and be a part of the next wave of the internet. Thank you for watching and for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of decentralized technology. Stay tuned for more exciting content.